beauties, and welcome back if you're returning, and welcome if you're new. Here on my channel, I do makeup tutorials, I do vlogs, try on hauls, or even hair reviews. So I'm glad that you guys decided to stop back by today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed already, and don't forget to hit the notification bells because I'm gonna be uploading at least 2 or 3 times a week. It varies, I don't know what days, so it's best if you hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified the days that I upload and you won't miss a video. So we're getting ready for spring. So what I'm all flowery today, so I'm getting ready to do my makeup. Y'all just have my hair in this little bun. Excuse it, honey. But you know, just want to be cool, free. That's more like spring, summertime. Throw your hair in a nice little bun. Once you put your makeup on, your hair really not gonna matter. So, you know, springtime is all about vibrant colors, like your pinks, your blues. Spring can be kind of like neutral too. You can do like tans, or you know, your really light pinks, or you can do kind of bright but not too bright for spring. So let's get started. Let's see what colors I'm gonna do. So first of all, I'm gonna be using this palette, and I think I'm gonna be using this one too. I'm gonna be taking colors from both of these palettes. Juvias Place, the Zulu palette, and the Masqurade mini palette. So I think I already pre-done my eyebrows. So I'm going to be taking my concealer, my E.l.f concealer, and I'm gonna put that all over my lids. I'm gonna be going in with this palette in the color Bori. It's like a bright pink. So I'm gonna be going in with that to put in my creases first.
Damn, Jacob, this shit crap.
All right, for the next color, I'm going to be using this palette, and I'm going to be going in, I think I'm going to use this light pink right here. For the bottom lid, let's switch brushes since that one already has makeup on it. So I'm going to be rubbing this down here on the lid part. So we're just going for soft, pretty, springy pink. We're not gonna be too heavy with the makeup today. This color is so pretty, y'all. So what we're gonna be doing is taking our brush and just blending all the pink in, like in a circular motion. Just blend, blend, blend. Don't want any like harsh marks where you can see where you put this darker pink from a lighter pink. So you wanna do a circular motion blend to blend everything in. Next, I'm gonna take Giza from the same palette I used earlier, and I'm gonna put that in the corners of my eyes. Just like that, see? Give it a little brightness. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is prime our face with the E.l.f poreless face primer. It comes out like a thick white cream, and it feels so, oh my god, it feels so silky smooth on your skin, y'all. And it smells good too. It's like a fresh, like a refreshed smell. Okay, now for the foundation. What we're gonna use is the Juvias Place foundation stick, and this is a color Nambia. See, it's like a light tan kind of honey color. So I'm gonna get that, make sure I'm getting up under those eyes, honey, for those dark circles. So it looks a little orangey in the beginning, but I promise y'all, once I blend it, it's gonna look good. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of my Lancôme and I'm gonna mix that.
Jacob, this shit crack. Damn, Jacob, this shit crack.
All right, so now we're gonna do concealer under our eyes. We're gonna take Tarte. This is the color Tan Sand, and we're gonna put that to highlight and contour our face. Contour a little bit more. Now I'm gonna take another Juvias Place. This is the color Madagascar, and I'm gonna put that here on the cheeks, on the forehead, to kind of tone everything down and be more defined on the bridge of your nose, to make your nose look a little bit slimmer. So we're just gonna blend it in. All right, so springtime is all about rosy cheeks, highlighted golden. So we're gonna go in with this, how you say this, Milani. This is Cheek Kiss in a Nude Kiss 110, and we're gonna go in with that. It's kind of like a creamy kind of blush. So we're gonna add that to our Smile for the Haters, and you're gonna brush upwards towards your hairline. up, up, up. I know it messes up your baby hairs, but you can always fix that later. And I'm gonna be using crayon case. And I'm gonna be highlighting right on top. Catch that sun-kissed glow. We're springtime ready. A little bit on my nose. A little on the other side. All right. Y'all see it? Now I'm gonna take my pencil. This is Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil. This is a color turquoise. And I'm gonna be putting that under my eye.
Jacob, this shit crack.
Okay, you see it. Now let's see with these lashes. You know, for a neutral kind of spring look, you want to be nice and, you know, cute little flirty eye. You don't want to do too much. So I'm not gonna put any big lashes on. I'm gonna keep them kind of cute and flirty, but just not too much. You feel me? So what I'm doing is taking these excess glue off the lashes that I've already worn probably like 1,000 times. Cause honey, I don't be trying to throw no lashes away. Hey, if they're good for use, I just use them so I can't use them no more. Let's spray set our face with this Morphe spray. This is the continuous setting spray. Shake it up. Woo! And it smells so good, y'all, like a good perfume or cologne. So I'm just gonna fan myself until this sets in. It just brings all your foundation and any imperfections that you had before. If your makeup was like smearing a little bit or your eyeshadow wasn't, you know, quite smooth right, it'll bring all that together once you set your face with that spray. I should have did this before, but I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara under there just in case any eyeshadow has fallen down. You always want to put your mascara on before you put your lashes, because once you take your pictures, it'll show up and we don't want that. Okay, so I'm getting ready to put the other eyelash on. Kiss KWLP7.
Damn, Jacob, this shit crack. Lucky.
Okay. she's done. Springtime ready. Oh my God, it's so cute, y'all. I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching. Don't forget to hit the like. Please don't forget, it's very important, please subscribe to my channel. And make sure you're hitting the notification bells. Like I said, I'm gonna try to post at least 2 or 3 times a week, but you don't know which day, so it's better for you to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time that I upload a video. But this is the final look, y'all. She is spring ready. So thanks guys for your continued support, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, you are beautiful. Bye.